This is an original part. It's mounted inside your new compressor. Working together with other parts that are equally original, it ensures the system works just as it was designed, giving you the performance you expect from your trusted brand. After many hours of operation, the service life of the part comes to an end, and it needs to be replaced with a new part just like it. But what if a cheaper alternative is available? A generic multi-purpose air filter, for example. Its design and filter material are not made specifically for your compressor. This may cause excessive pressure drop, increasing your energy bill. The generic filter could be ineffective in keeping dust particles out, contaminating other components like oil, oil filter and oil separator, damaging your compressor element, blocking the system, causing high costs of repair and production loss. Original oil filters have a bypass valve that guarantees the element is lubricated at all times. Generic filters without this feature could cause serious damage to the compressor element due to a lack of oil supply. Or what about non-original air-oil separators that don't have grounding to avoid static electricity building up? Don't put your investment at risk. Stick with original parts, tested and approved by the experts who made your compressor. Order all the correct parts you need for a service intervention in a single service kit offered at a price advantage. Original parts and kits are readily available through a worldwide service network. Reduce your total cost of ownership thanks to easy maintenance, maximum uptime, high energy efficiency and extended equipment lifetime with original parts and kits.